Hey there, it's Leda Fazal, owner of Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina, and proud creator of the U.S. patented Swan method. If you're a stylist ready to take your business to new heights, you're in the right place. When you join the Swan method online course, you'll receive unparalleled support from the moment you join and long after you're certified. Our program includes access to the online portal and bonus content like the charcoal lightning class, snatched ends, and salon contracts, just to name a few. The Swan method addresses prevalent issues stylists encounter with existing extension methods. It prevents damage from tension and over-direction, haphazard installs, ensuring the longevity and the health of your client's hair. Our method prioritizes the elimination of discomfort, focusing on tension and comfort to create a luxurious and versatile guest experience. With the Swan method, your guests will enjoy styling versatility without the need for beads, bonds, braids being flashed all over the place, and providing them with the flexibility they desire from their extensions. We take pride in showcasing the grow out phase of our extensions confidently, without any sagging wefts or damage, even in 9 to 11 weeks, setting the Swan method apart from other techniques and earning it the love and trust of countless stylists and clients like you. Furthermore, the Swan method ensures that your contact information is prominently featured on our Salon stylist locator, making it effortless for clients to find a master Swan method stylist near them. You will also be automatically entered into our lucrative Swan method affiliate program. Yes, where you will earn high dollar for referring a new Swan to our online classes. We provide you with everything you need to stay at the top of your game. If you're ready to transform your career with the groundbreaking approach to installing hair extensions, elevate your craft, and receive unparalleled support from the industry's finest, then take the next step and let the Swan method evaluate your skills to unprecedented heights. Sign up today and embrace the new era of installing hair extensions using the Swan method.